Lights, camera, action.
So first I will start by creating a new file. I will name it hello.py. And for the first example, I will simply print a message on the console. So print, I will just write print hello world. And then I can, using the terminal of Ubuntu, go to the folder where the code is and execute or run the code, or I can simply run it from Visual Code Editor. So here the directory that contains our code, it contains only this file, the hello.py. So to run it, I will simply type python 3 hello.py, and now it will display a message, or the message I wrote, hello world. In second example, we will print the message on a pop-up window. For that, we will use a library called EasyKey. You can use any library you want. Import EasyKey. And from that library, I'm going to use the function msgbox or message box. I will write the message. Then I will write the title of the window, for example, a message. Save it, and then run the example. I had an error in this example because the library EasyKey relies on another library named Tkinter. So in order to use EasyKey, we have to install Tkinter. By the way, with Tkinter we can also use create message box that pop up, but for simplicity we are going to use only EasyKey. So in order to be able to use EasyKey, we have to install now Tkinter. So for the code to work, we have to install the Tkinter library. I did using Ubuntu Package Manager. I installed for both versions, for Python 2 and the Python 3. Now we can use the library EasyKey simply by saying python 3 hello.py, and now we have a pop-up window with the message hello world. We can, instead of saying import EasyKey, we can say from EasyKey import a message box, and then use message box directly without the name of EasyKey. We try it again now. And it worked. For the third example, we are going to write the message hello world in HTML file. For that, I will first create the HTML file. So file, will open. I'm gonna name it hello.html and open it in a write mode. So it will be created. Then in the HTML, I will write some text. The text will correspond to the text that we usually see in an HTML file. So I will start by the tag HTML. Then the head. The head. Body. In the head, I will write the title. That will be hello world. and in the body I will create an h1 tag that will represent the title inside the HTML file or inside the body. That's the message we are going to print in the HTML file. So hello world. Then I will write this text in the HTML file. Write the text. Then I will close the file. After that, I will have to open the browser. For that, I will use another library called web browser. I will import from that library the open new tab function. So open new tab, and as a parameter I will give it the name of the file I just created, hello.html. To test the code, I will just run as I did for the two first examples, Python 3 and hello.py. So the first message, hello world, the second, and the third one here in the browser, hello world. As you see, there is this file, hello.html, created using the code. So now if I can open the file, I can see the code I've just written using Python.